This iteration is the second workshop of this CORUS 5 project being held in Ireland in Cork and hosted by Collins Aerospace. And during this workshop, what we are really focused on is concept development. And what I mean by that is that as a continuation from the first workshop, the research questions that we had prioritized and chosen to address and finalized our scope as a CONOPS, in this workshop we have made an attempt at those answers, tried to understand, okay, on a time horizon, how do we split them? And what we are hoping to gain from this workshop is a feedback on our understanding of these questions.
So the workshop is showing us a lot of opportunities of contributions, and this CORUS 5 workshop is really the right forum to discuss and share the opportunities that we have identified during the project, but also looking in the future and see what needs to be captured, whether for a short, long-term, medium-term, to make sure that the community benefits from the recommendations of the next version of the CONOPS.
We are having very important conversations about the future of aerospace in Europe and basically aerospace worldwide. It is foundational that we get this right because as new projects come onto the table within the CESAR program and globally, and I'll stress the CORUS 5 CONOPS will have global implications. The next few years will be foundational for how we establish operations, the signals that we send to airframers, the signals that we send to the development of aerospace services.
If each authority will establish different parameters, this would become a patchwork and a nightmare for industry. So one of the key messages which is emerging, we need consensus-based industry standards for required navigation performance of small drones at low level.
And all the sessions address different topics which are interrelated, so that at the end of the sessions you have more or less a full picture of the gaps in the current regulation and what's needed for the longer term in US space.
What impressed me the most was unique workshop format. It is not only share the latest information, but also actively engage the participants. I was particularly struck by the enthusiasm of the CORUS 5 participants. I am very much looking forward to the successful outcomes of this CORUS 5.
I hope to see you all in the next iteration of the workshop, where we will present our final consolidation and what the answers are to these research questions and show you the next version of the CONOPS.